So let's examine in today's video the phenomenon of cooking with Kaya. So cooking with Kaya, she is a woman. She's an internet personality. She's a social media influencer who's going viral right now, who's getting hate from other women, surprisingly, for cooking food. That's right. She's getting hate from women for cooking food. Now, we'll get to what the real debate is about a little bit later in the video, but it's funny to me that women like to pretend that they like each other. They support each other when it's a woman attacking a man or a woman going through a heartbreak or something when it comes to a man. But when it comes to women on women, they really support each other. They're just as cutthroat as men. And so um, this woman is receiving all kinds of hatred from women that can't cook, that aren't willing to cater to what a man really wants, which just goes to show you how brainwashed these women are by feminism. They truly hate men in every sense of it. But if a man gets on the internet and just critiques women, it's like, oh my God, these are incel, red pill incel men that can't get women. These are women haters. No, we're just critiquing you. But a woman can get on the internet and say all kinds of hateful things about men, and really hate men, and really do things hateful to men, and still not get any penalty. People just look away from it. You know what I'm saying? Women get a pass with this kind of stuff. And so cooking with Kaya, she's just being pleasant, being playful, being happy, like women should be. Women shouldn't be unpleasant to be around, unpleasant to see. And she throws in a little bit of dancing. She throws in her song, and she cooks really good looking meals. Now, they're not the most healthiest meals in the world by any stretch of the imagination, but hell, a woman that can cook is an asset. I don't care what nobody says. If you can cook, you're gonna be on the team for a little bit. That's a wife. If you can cook legitimate meals and be pleasant and all the other stuff, right? Cooking just isn't the only criteria. It's other stuff as well. But cooking is a big one because in today's society, women don't want to cook for men. And that's done on purpose because they don't want to see you happy. And so women are going crazy. They're going berserk on her because one, they can't cook, which means what they can't compete and get the guys to commit. And so women like cooking with Kaya that are pleasant, built, petite, pleasant to be around, can cook. They're going to take away these mating opportunities from all these other women that can't do that. Women are just as cutthroat in the mating process as men are when it comes to the mating process because women know that if they can't compete, they're not going to get the guy that they want, which is why women do all these kinds of passive aggressive things against other women to get them to knock them off from stealing their man or stealing the men that they want to procreate with, they want to have the resources from. And so that's really what it is when it comes from the hatred of whenever she's receiving this hatred from other women. They don't want to see other men happy. They know they can't compete in the mating process, which makes them less attractive. And so, but let me show you guys what she's actually doing because here's the debate question that I want you guys to answer in the comment section below. Even though you see cooking with Kaya, is this true femininity? this is the debate around this whole situation that people are talking about. And I'm going to give you my true opinions on this because I think what she's doing is genius. I think she's mixed in a little bit of that ghetto culture, ghetto rap culture, 304 culture. Because, and this is what I mean, on some of her videos, she'll be shaking her butt and she'll be dancing. And also, if you look at her appearance, she's tatted up. She got lower back tattoos. She got tattoos right here. And so she looks like a strag. She's dressing like a strag. She looks like Glorilla a little bit. Not like in like her facial features or anything, but like they dress the same. But she's mixing that little bit of culture over with the traditional femininity, which is why this is so attractive to men because men want to see the 304 activity. Let's just be real. Not me personally, but apparently she has damn near 1 million subscribers. So this is appealing to men. So they want to see a little bit of that sexy 304 stuff with the traditional, hey, I can cook, hey, I'm pleasant, I'm small and petite, it's my natural hair, all this other stuff. Which is why her channel is so addicting or is flocking to um, men. Now, is she a true uh, feminine woman? Who knows? She could just be pretending. In my opinion, who knows? I think her authentic self is being presented, but I think she still has that ghetto side to her as well. She most certainly does. And so if she has that 304 side to her as well, because she dresses just like that rap popular culture women dress, it wouldn't surprise me if she still acts that way as well. She just is just petite looking and can cook to go along with it. So that's really what I think is going on now. Men men are always going to be confused, especially this generation of men. This generation of men can't tell a real feminine woman from a fake one, because it's a little bit more nuanced than just cooking, right? It's the way she dresses, it's the way she talks, it's the way she presents herself. Guys, if you were a real feminine woman, you wouldn't have your titties out. You wouldn't be shaking your butt on the camera. So it's not traditional femininity. It is traditional femininity when it comes to her cooking good solid meals. It absolutely is. But in the sense of it, no, real femininity is Nora Smith. The way she cooks, the way she talks, the way she presents herself. That's traditional femininity. Cooking with Kaya just found some fad that works for her. And it's upsetting these women. And so you guys let me know what you guys think about cooking with Kaya in the comment section below. If you guys agree with my opinion, my take, you guys more than welcome to tell me what you guys think below. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Should the video like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.